Nag-viral sa TikTok kamakailan ang kakaibang family reunion ng mga kababayan sa Ontario na may kaugnayan sa hilig ng mga Pilipino sa basketball. Silipin po natin ang Generation Cup sa report ni Paula Saraza.
It was always, family first, basketball second.
Mistulang basketball tournament, ganyan ipagdiwang ng pamilya Labuga Villa ang kanilang kakaibang family reunion na patunay daw sa hilig at malaking impluensya ng larong basketball sa kulturang Pilipino.
Tell me your family's extra without telling me your family's extra. I'll go first.
I have a huge Filipino family in Canada and they are obsessed with basketball. So obsessed that we host our own annual family basketball game.
It's something that all of us can participate in, even though, not all of us are basketball players. We have some of the titas in the sidelines cheering, jumping, dancing, all of that. We have some of my cousins with jobs like keeping score. We have referees and me taking all the videos and the photos.
2017 ang umpisahan ng mga magpipinsan ng tinatawag nilang Generation Cup na naging taunang tradisyon para sa kanilang pamilya sa Ontario at Amerika. Ngayong taon, 4 na henerasyon ang kalahok.
There's a lot of basketball players in our family, a lot of basketball fans in our family. As you know, in the Filipino community, basketball is huge. It's the next thing to karaoke and food. I think in total, just players, probably about 40. And they range from very competitive because we have some of our nephews that are already playing at college level, and then to some that have never really played the game but they participate in the free throw competition because we also do a 3-point competition and things like that, so that everybody gets to join in.
Isang buong weekend ang nilalaan nila mula sa welcome dinner, liga, picnic sa park at awards night gala. Di raw biro ang ilang buwang inaabot para plansyahin ang taunang pagtitipon.
We had put an event committee together of us cousins in helping come up with the venue, the caterer, from the DJ, creating the games at the park.
Pero bukod sa kasiyahang dala ng kanilang malaking salo-salo, umaasa silang kapulutan ng aral ng mga susunod na henerasyon ang kahalagahan ng pamilya at komunidad, mga bagay na tulad ng basketball, bumubuo sa pagiging Pilipino.
We wanted something that our family can kind of continue even when we're older, that our kids continue it with their kids.
No one else is going to be there for us like our family is.
1, 2, 3,
Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.